Good morning. I have not gone anywhere. I'm still here. I knew it would get extremely hectic as the new week approached. But I am here and I am going to continue to do as many videos as I can with the time that I'm given. Currently, it is the day before Easter, and I have a trunk full of goodies that I have picked up over the last few days to make Easter treat baskets for my oldest, my youngest, my nieces and nephews. For them, nothing major. Just a sentiment of I like for you not to leave with nothing. I want you to leave with something. And I have a few items that I need to pick up for my daughters. I'm even putting something small together for my husband, just because I like to do that for all of the holidays that we celebrate outside of birthdays. I just like to touch everyone. Most of the items are practical items for my husband. For my daughters, I usually like to do put things in there that they will definitely use right away. And I just have a few more things to pick up. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. And then I'm going to go home and assemble the baskets. My husband and I are hanging out with friends tonight. We're going to a comedy show. So I need to do this very quickly so that I don't rush and feel like a mess. Today is a rainy day. It's a rainy day. I was hoping for a sunny weekend to spend Easter with family and friends, but we're going to have to make the best of what's before us. Okay, I'm getting ready to head into the store and I will talk to you soon. Okay, here is my husband's basket, and yes, I do a basket for my husband. Just some little treats and things that he can actually use. There's some Smart Food white cheddar popcorn in the back, some lightly salted toasted almonds, and for fun, a cookies and cream Russell Stover chocolate bunny. Here's Method Man shower wash, and I don't know if there's a set fragrance for that. Carmex, he likes lemons in his water, so here are the True Lemon individual packets. Shaving cream, a navy blue sponge, number 5 gum in the peppermint, and beard butter with cocoa butter. And here are just some little chocolate treats. So there's my husband's Easter basket. When I told him that I was doing this, he seemed like a little kid all over again. For my oldest, I included snacks that she enjoys and some practical things that I know that she will definitely put to use, like lip gloss and mascara, some cotton rounds so that she can use to take her eye makeup off, and body wash. She also loves to write, so I included journals in there for her. And this shorter basket is for my youngest, and I also did the same thing. Snacks and little things that I know that she would definitely put to use. Again, she got body wash, another sponge. She likes to still fiddle with Play-Doh and things like that. So this was the baskets that I made for my family. On Easter Day, we will be hosting family, and our nieces and nephews will be here at our home, and we thought about them and created cute little baskets for them. The ages range from 5 months to 14. So we definitely wanted to create something small for them. The weather here in Arkansas is not that well, so doing an Easter egg hunt kinda is not in our plan anymore. So I'm glad that we did do the baskets, and I'm sure their parents are going to probably already have them the larger fancy ones. These are just our sentiments. So here's the lineup of the baskets that I did. I included 2 for my twin teenage nieces. This basket is for our young niece who is under the age of 5, and she loves the Poppets, and there's some flashcards in here for her, Play-Doh, and some snacks so she can fidget with and eat a yummy snack. And her little brother is the baby of the family, and of course he can't pull out his things, but these are things that I'm sure he can enjoy, being the little one that he is. And lastly, I showed you in the previous video the mug gifts that I prepared for our mothers who will be in attendance. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next video, have a great day and happy Resurrection Day and Easter.